If you're overwhelmed by the price and the junk that's added to our snack bars, you've got to check this out. Everybody likes snack bars. I love them too. It's great to keep them on hand. I keep them in my desk as a quick pick-me-up or a snack if I don't happen to have something on hand. And I love Kind bars, but they are so crazy expensive, and I'm gonna show you how to make my kind of bars. They can be your kind of bars using whatever you want in them because they're super easy. And I'm putting some nuts in mine. Obviously, that's the way they start with whatever mixture of nuts that you want. I have cashews, I have pecans, walnuts, and pistachios. Just think what I had in there. And then I'm going to put in some golden raisins just for a tiny bit of sweetness. We have to add salt because I love a little salt with the whole mix of nuts, and these are raw nuts that I'm using. For an extra nutrition amp, I'm going to add some hemp seeds, about a tablespoon. I've made a very easy syrup. That's honey, maple syrup, and a little bit of salt, and I'm going to add in some vanilla. And I've simmered it for just a couple of minutes, which is gonna help it to get extra sticky with all these nuts. And then I just need to pour this over and mix it with my nuts. And these kind of bars, you don't have to bake. So just give it a mix up. It's like fabulous. Sometimes if I have some all natural puffed rice cereal, I will use a little bit of that in here too, just because I like the texture. But this one is all nuts and hemp seeds and golden raisins. And then I have a baking pan that I have sprayed just a little bit with spray oil, and then I've aligned it with overlapping sheets of parchment to make this really easy to pull out when I'm done. All this goes in, don't miss any. Make sure you get all of this, because nuts are not cheap. But this is definitely cheaper than buying the bars in the store. And then just press this out in your pan. And then we're gonna let it chill. I think I'm going to adorn mine with a few little chocolate chips. Just kind of fill in the little holes there. And good dark chocolate, never bad. Never a bad idea. Okay, here I go. I'm gonna just put it in my fridge or maybe even my freezer for long enough to have everything really set well so I can pull it out and cut it into bars. Here we go. They have chilled. And thank goodness for that parchment paper because they are sticky. See, that makes it really easy to just pull them out. And then I want to cut them into bars. How shall I do this? Big knife. Ooh, I'm happy with this. And then all you do is peel them away from the paper and then wrap them in saran wrap, plastic wrap, whatever you want. Just wrap them like this. Nice little gift. Nice little snack. I like that. It's my daughter calling me. She wants to come over for some Kind bars. Check this out. Say goodbye to Kind. Say hello to your kind.